Watch that left side.
Fuck it, I'll arm you two with this shit.
Hey, good work, guys. Clear it out.
We got this side shut down, bro. Is the guy moving up? Yeah, you hold down that side, all right? Hold down that side. Oh, hit! They coming up? I'm behind you, bro.
Hey, I'm gonna get in there.
Red!
Red?
Way too people here. Yeah, there's too many guys in here.
Can you see that way? Make sure nobody's flanking behind us. You got more range than I do.
Half our team's over there.
Oh, I see one right there.
Where?
See him standing there?
Oh, yeah.
They're like really far away. You have a good video?
Yeah. Filming right now?
They've already gotten probably 8-9 kills.
Dude, they started running this way.
That corner.
Yeah, I got probably 15 and 20 right at the beginning.
Guys, up to the right.
Yeah.
The white wall right in front of the shed.
Yeah, we got him. Right behind us.
Fury. I'm right over the top of you. Hit!
Hit!
The guy behind him calls it, he doesn't?
I know, right? Hey, they're moving far right. I got two running right.
Hey, watch your shot!
Whew.
9 o'clock, bro, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Clear that up. Back.
Oh, shit.
9 o'clock.
Yeah. I got 3 moving left. Serious with me? Ah, hit. You got any ammo? Is that M4? 450 round high cap. Head left. Got it? Here, I'll hold on to your mag, all right? Where is it? I got it. I'll hold on to it. I'll put it in my ditch pouch. Yeah.
We're going for it.
What? Yeah. My last one.
Your last one?
Yep. I already gave one to somebody else. We got 3 pushing left.
Hey, just clear that out, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle.
I got it. I got the middle. One right there behind the white wall. I got 2 behind the wall. Four behind the wall. Moving in.
Fuckers over there in the front.
Careful, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Moving in.
I need your mace. Give here.
Got you, bud. You're hit. You're hit. He was hit, man. Are you serious?
Hit.
You were hit, bud. I hit you like 9 times, man.